Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar, and welcome to another episode of easy, beautiful chords up and down the neck of the guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key we're in is A major. We're going to do one easy shape and get a bunch of chords out of it, and I'm going to give you the names of every single chord. Here's our easy shape. We're going to go to the D string and place a finger on the second fret for the first chord, and then the G string, the fourth fret, and we'll strum from the A string like this. That's our first chord. All the chords will be played that way. We'll start with fret 2, and our first chord name is A suspended 2. And we're going to strum very easy like that, just gently, starting with the A string, going straight down. We're going to raise that to the third fret for an A minor flat 6, flat 9. We'll raise it to fret 4 for an A 6, 9. We'll move to fret 5 for an A suspended 9. We'll go to fret 7, and we're skipping fret 6 because we get a lot of dissonance at that chord. See, that's really nasty sounding. So we're going to go to fret 7 for another A suspended 2 chord. That's an A suspended 2 inversion. We'll move to fret 9, skipping fret 8. Because of that, we'll move to fret 9, and we'll get an A6 suspended 2. Fret 10 will give us an A minor 9. Fret 11, an A major 9. And then to fret 12, finally, for an A suspended add 9. Now we don't have to go up the neck. We can do anything we want. We can go down the neck. Like that. Now, if you use your imagination, you can use this shape to come up with some very interesting chord progressions. Right now, I'm going to give you a few examples. right, my friends, try some of these and use them to make up your own chord combinations. Now, if you want to see more of this, use my link in the description below this video for more beautiful, easy chords up and down the neck of the guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.